Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. I know there's been a lot of talk about the Gizmo Watch bands not being very good, and my understanding is they actually replaced it and created a new one. And what the issue generally was is this little loop over here wasn't designed very well and it breaks. As you can see, I have a device right here with that exact same problem. The good thing with these gizmos is that the band is easily replaceable. So all you have to do here is just go on the back and just pop this little guy. And it's a 20 millimeter band all around. So essentially you just go to this little tab right there and you're just going to push it and you pop the band right out. Okay, and I went and purchased a new band for $5 at my local retail store. And they have all different kinds. Just so long, what you need to do is make sure that the band that you buy is a 20 millimeter. So for $5, I'm able to convert this thing from being a broken band to a new, more sturdy band. And I wound up going with this particular cloth one because I thought it was kind of cool and because the price was $5. Many of the other ones were $8 or more. But what I'll do is I'll put in the description below some different bands that you might consider as well. This one here came with more of the spring bars that you need. Remember when you're looking, and I can't stress this enough, it has to be a 20 millimeter. It can't be smaller or larger because 20 millimeter is the measurement from this pin to this pin. So that's what you'll need. So I'll just go ahead and, you know, I'll see if it's potentially that I can pull this pin out because this will be easier. So it has its own pins there. But otherwise this one here just has spring bars and it doesn't have the quick release. What I did to remove these pins was really pretty simple here. I took a nail and then I just put the nail right in this little slot right here. I slid this back a little bit and then I pushed this plastic out and around to the outside so that this pin here, the part with the quick release pin, was loose, and then I could just slide that right out. I just put my finger on the quick release and just pull it right out. So that's how I got these pins out, and I can easily use the quick release ones and wrap my new strap onto here, and I'll have a perfectly good Gizmo watch like that. And here's the final product. I basically wrap the band around these two pins up through here and down through there. The only downside with this type is that the charging area is right underneath this strap. So essentially I just have to pull off the strap to charge it, but that's not such a big deal. Take a look in the next week or so. I'm going to also do a video that fully reviews this watch. So hopefully, you know, that will be helpful and interesting to you as well. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. If it was helpful, give a thumbs up, definitely subscribe. Talk to you soon.